place to get the tire fixed. Laval's garage. Or Lavalle's. Back on the trail. Left the Sterling Inn after 3 days there. That was really a nice place to stay. They have a bunk room, private rooms, more like a hotel than a hostel. It is really nice. A lobby where you can hang out, several lobbies actually. Watch TV, eat. They cook food for you. They have freezer pizzas and stuff, but they cook them for you. So they're done right. Really nice. Father and son team own it. And they're the ones that run it too. We got Stan, the man's car fixed, his tire fixed. It was just a hole in the tire they were able to plug and get it put back on this morning before he brought us out to trail. So that was good news. Look at how colorful the moss is. So today we're going to go over Moxie Bald, so we may have some views, although it is cloudy and it's supposed to rain today. It's already been raining earlier today. We're under a flood watch, which makes things extra exciting because we have 2 river crossings today that are already around waist steep. So there are official workarounds where you can go on a road and walk around the river crossing when it's unsafe to cross, like today when we're under a flood watch and we've got even more rain expected this afternoon when we're going to get there. So we have decided we're going to do the road walk, official walk around that the Maine ATC has posted on their website to stay safe. Yeah, chest deep water. And they said it was already 3 times over the flow rate that they consider safe. So the water speed's also fast. So it would just be dangerous to try to walk through it at this point. See the blaze? We get to go through the rocks. Ooh, it's kind of a tunnel. That's cool. Let's see if I can get back up here, though. Big step. Very cool. Oh, look at, there's another one. These rocks are just hanging on top of each other. Very cool. I assume this was done by a glacier at some point way in the past.
Stay out of the wet.
Yeah, it's kind of a little shelter. My feet are still dry today. Yesterday they were not, but they had a boot dryer there, so I put them on the shoe dryer and dried them out overnight. And now I'm trying to keep them dry. We'll see how long it lasts, because I'm going through stuff like this. Top of Bald Mountain. We're almost at the top, and it's starting to rain already. It wasn't supposed to rain till 1 o'clock. Hope it stops. All I hear in the video are grunting and groaning. It is pretty steep. Here comes old Buzzard. I don't know where Possum is. There's Possum coming up. What a view.
And here comes Greyhound, hiking up the Appalachian Trail.
Wow. Probably having a moose sighting right now. We just don't know it. Out there somewhere. See if I can keep my feet dry through here by walking on rocks. Yep, so far so good. This one's going to be a little tricky. Starting to get colorful. There goes sunshine. Awesome. She made it. My turn next. Deep, slippery water crossing. My shoes were dry until now. Yeah. You have to feel the rocks, each one, because they can roll under your feet. And they're slick, really slick. You have to make sure your foot's down good before you lift the other one. They made it. Well, almost made it. I'll back up a little so they can get out. Good job. Well, everybody made it safely through the small water crossing that you just saw. The others are waist to chest deep, so we're not going to do those. We're about ready to take the blue blaze around, the official high water blaze, and it is raining. So it's going to be kind of a boring road walk of about 7 miles, but we'll do it fast. It's a mile longer to go this route than to actually do the official, AT route. But we'll probably be able to, we'll definitely be able to do it faster because we don't have to swim across a river. 2 of them. Doing our road walk in the rain. This is one of the rivers we would have had to cross. This is Shaw's.